What is SPSS? SPSS, or Statistical Package for the Social Sciences, is a software package used for statistical analysis in various fields, including social sciences, health sciences, and business. It provides a user-friendly interface for researchers and analysts to perform data manipulation, descriptive statistics, and advanced statistical procedures. One of SPSS's key features is its ability to handle large datasets efficiently, making it a popular choice for researchers dealing with complex data structures. It allows users to input data from various sources, including spreadsheets and databases, and perform a wide range of analyses to derive meaningful insights. SPSS offers a comprehensive set of statistical procedures, including correlation analysis, regression analysis, factor analysis, cluster analysis, and analysis of variance, ANOVA. These tools enable researchers to explore relationships between variables, test hypotheses, and make data-driven decisions. Moreover, SPSS provides tools for data visualization, such as charts, graphs, and plots, to help users communicate their findings effectively. This visual representation of data aids in interpreting trends, patterns, and outliers within the dataset. Overall, SPSS is a powerful tool for researchers and analysts, offering a combination of data management, statistical analysis, and visualization capabilities to support evidence-based decision-making and research in various domains. How to operate SPSS? Operating SPSS involves several steps, from importing data to performing statistical analysis and generating reports. Here's a general guide on how to operate SPSS. Launching SPSS, open the SPSS software on your computer. You'll typically see options to create a new data file or open an existing one. Importing data. If you have data in an external file, example Excel, CSV, use the File menu to import it into SPSS. Make sure to specify variable properties like data type, numeric, string, date, during import. Data preparation. Clean your data by checking for missing values, outliers, and inconsistencies. Use SPSS tools like Variable View and Data View to modify variable properties and edit data entries. Descriptive statistics. To get an overview of your data, use descriptive statistics like mean, median, standard deviation, and frequency distributions. Go to the Analyze menu and choose the appropriate statistical procedure. Statistical analysis. Conduct statistical tests based on your research questions. For example, perform t-tests, ANOVA, regression analysis, or factor analysis using the relevant options under the Analyze menu. Data visualization. Create charts, graphs, and plots to visualize your data. SPSS offers various chart types like bar charts, histograms, scatter plots, and pie charts. Customize visualizations to enhance clarity and interpretation. Generating reports. After completing your analysis, generate reports to document your findings. Include tables, charts, and interpretations of statistical results. Use the Export option to save reports in different formats, example Word, PDF, for sharing or further analysis. By following these steps, you can effectively operate SPSS to manage, analyze, and present your data in a meaningful way. Application of SPSS. SPSS finds wide application across various fields due to its versatility in statistical analysis and data management. Some common applications of SPSS include social sciences research. SPSS is extensively used in social sciences research to analyze survey data, conduct correlation studies, regression analysis, and test hypotheses related to human behavior, psychology, sociology, and education. Healthcare and epidemiology. In healthcare, SPSS is utilized for analyzing clinical trial data, patient outcomes, disease prevalence, and healthcare trends. Epidemiologists use SPSS to study disease patterns, risk factors, and public health interventions. Business and marketing. SPSS is valuable for market research, customer segmentation, and analyzing consumer behavior. Businesses use SPSS to conduct regression analysis for sales forecasting, perform cluster analysis for market segmentation, and evaluate marketing campaigns' effectiveness. Education and academic research. SPSS aids educational researchers in analyzing student performance, evaluating teaching methods, and conducting educational assessments. It is also used in academic research across various disciplines for data analysis and statistical modeling. Government and policy analysis. Government agencies utilize SPSS for policy analysis, program evaluation, and data-driven decision-making. It helps policymakers analyze public opinion surveys, socio-economic data, and policy impact assessments. Finance and economics. SPSS is employed in financial research for analyzing economic data, conducting financial modeling, and risk assessment. It is used in areas such as investment analysis, economic forecasting, and financial market research. Scientific research. SPSS is applied in scientific research across disciplines such as biology, environmental science, and engineering. It aids researchers in analyzing experimental data, conducting multivariate analysis, and interpreting research findings. Overall, SPSS's broad range of statistical procedures, data visualization tools, and data management capabilities make it a valuable asset in academic, research, business, and governmental settings, supporting evidence-based decision-making and data-driven insights across diverse fields.